Jada Kingdom is in Texas right now. She have a show tonight, and it seems like she having a good time.
No, baby, no, no, friend, no, give me this drink. Give me that top. Friend, you need healthy drink. Here.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Today is March 13, 2021, and Chanel Muir, Spice, and Jada Kingdom have a show tonight in Houston, Texas, right? The show is called Girl Farm, or the event is called Girl Farm Party, or whatever you want to call it. You see me, I say, so welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Now, like me say, you know, all the ladies supposed to be in Texas right now, but I'm not sure about the next two, but I am sure that Jada Kingdom is in Texas because she went live from yesterday and said she did it, you know, and she went live today again. So I have some fun videos for show you with Jada Kingdom. She's in high spirit. I'm sure this show is going to be nice, you know what I mean? That's the overall vibes of the show. The show is called Girl Farm, like me say, and it's about the ladies and people. Me I tell you, Jada are the Jada what we used to, our love right now, you know what I mean? She has some good vibes, and me I go show you what we got. So first, now it look like Jada enjoys some food, and she said somebody I look at her, and this is what she said. Hear what she has say.
So every minute that you look over here, and I cut her eye. Every second she gets, you look over here, and I cut her eye. Just look on her. Now stop looking on her. So, and this I mean, cause she look over and I cut her eye remain, you know. And I go that one fun, you know. But I just show you all no weird. It's all no weird. Trust me. Enough time, I see fans just look. So you think I like them, not like money look. Them love me and them are my biggest fans. No. Me no bite. Me not go do nothing. You can come over, come say hi. I know I look aggressive. But try not call out my name from afar. Someone know what it is. Then yeah, but I just run up on myself, you know. I just run up on myself, you know. Don't just run up on myself.
Alright, so if you see Jada out in the year, call out her name, and then you can approach, don't just run up, right? But she has to basically, don't be afraid for you approach her. Don't be scared when you see her out. You see me? Don't just stare her down and not say nothing. Basically, that's what me get from it. You see me? Well, people, me just I think about it and I say the show tonight, you know what I mean? Spice, Chanel Muir, and Jada, which is like just a great show overall, you know what I mean? Female base. And you don't know the song them where all three artists sing. And I don't know what you think about that show. You put down in the comment section. Hopefully we get some videos from it, you know what I mean? So I can make a video tomorrow or so, you know? But people, in the next part now, Jada get one juice what she not like, and we are going to show you what go on. Here it goes. Take a look at this. Here it goes.
I'm a fool, you know. But I don't know, the food just contagious. Wait, another word that we mean to use. What? Yeah, dead. On the dope, yeah. Dope, yeah, but never.
About your drink, because that's healthier for you. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, Oh, hold up. Hold up. Oh, oh. No, baby, no. No. Friend, no. Give me this drink. Give me that top. Friend, you need healthy drink. Here. That's what you need. We need that skin glowing, body flowing. Y'all want... Tell her no soda, healthy drink. No soda, healthy drink. It tastes so much better, right?
Yeah, man, it's nice one. It's nice, but...
What?
Huh?
You don't need all that
It's
extra,
nice.
friend.
No, it's nice. I eat this. I juice this there. I like it. I just like it back on. I'm thirsty. Can I just add?
What?
We can take a water.
A water? You want some water?
Yeah.
Why, you don't like this?
Yeah, man, it's nice.
But what?
None.
It got all your protein in there.
Yeah.
All your vitamins.
Juice that, yeah?
Yes.
Just water.
Oh, Lord. Lord, friend.
Yo, Jada no easy none at all. Me have to just laugh. You see what me I say? Jada outsmart the hombre. Jada said him go buy a water and drink off the Coca-Cola. You see me? But people, me have a next piece for showing. But that piece I know are from yesterday. This one me just showing her. This happened this morning. But this piece is from yesterday. So Jada is apparently a fan of Nicki and Klein. I want to know the YouTuber them Nicki and Klein. I want to know Jada and Ken, right? But she has said she just discovered Nicki and Klein. So, me personally, I watch some of these things. So me I say, I watch Wandan and Livy on Facebook mostly. Sometimes on YouTube as well, you know. And me hear people talk about Nicki and Klein all the way. So, I never have no choice but to go check it out. You see me? I know King and Shea. She has said she don't know King and Shea yet. But the people might tell her if you watch King and Shea. And we say Gia and Ken. But hear what she has said for herself. Here goes.
So, I up and watch a YouTube video. Somebody could tell me say I saw Nicki and Klein for fool. All along I want people me watch Gia and Ken. Cause I like what Gia and Ken video. Cause them my next idiot too. Love watch them say. But me buck up on one couple named Nicki and Klein. I eat at them, you know? You know, I eat at them. They must say that people for food. Love what happened to you? No. You know, your man said them is idiot. I say like that, come down. Go up and eat. I don't like it in the darkness. I have to run guy mall. Now it's 6:13. The mall like 8 o'clock. But the mall they right just across the road. You can't kind of eat that. So I mean, I can't say my rather none of them. I can't say my rather Gia and Ken and Nicki and Klein. Because don't know. I just can't. I not rather nobody. I just love the two of them. I love it. Because Kennedy have them own vibe. And Nicki and Klein have their own vibe.
Yeah, people, so if you're not Nicki and Klein fan, or Gio and Ken, King and Shea, whatever more, on the drop down in the comment section. Tell me who are on the YouTubers I want to like. You see me, I say, other than that, people, that's the end of today's video. If it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is. I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina! Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi!